Hi, I'm Ronnie George with the George Group, and today I'm going to give you a quick tour of our newest listing, 6202 West Taylor. It's located in Alexandria, Louisiana. Now let's go take a look inside. All right, so stepping into the foyer, a couple things I want to point out. This home has 10-foot ceilings and crown molding throughout. The split floor plan offers a seamless transition from your living room, dining room, and kitchen area. So let's go take a look. So one of the first things you're going to notice in the kitchen are these custom brick pavers that expand from one end of the kitchen all the way to the master bedroom. Topping off your cabinets are granite tile counters, as well as a 5-burner stove and stainless steel appliances. Let's go take a look at your living room. Now, one of the first things you're going to notice in the living room is this massive wall of windows with plantation blinds, as well as a custom built-in and a gas log fireplace. On this side of the home are 3 of your 4 bedrooms as well as your common bathroom. The bedrooms are ample in size and topped off with plush carpeting. On the way to your master bedroom, you're going to pass a half bathroom as well as a utility room that's topped off with those custom brick pavers. So stepping in your master, there's a couple things I want to point out. You have a huge walk-in closet on one side and a custom bathroom on the other. You have granite countertops, dual vanities, as well as a giant jacuzzi soaker tub and a stall shower. So that's everything on the inside. Let's go take a look outside. Stepping onto your back patio, it's completely enclosed, offering you additional privacy. Your backyard is topped off with a 6-foot privacy fence, as well as this massive double bay garage. This thing is over 40 feet long and sitting on an 18-inch slab. It's perfect for any car collectors, ATVers, or boating enthusiasts, or anybody that needs additional space. All right, so that completes our tour of 6202 West Taylor. If you or someone you know is looking for a home like this, all you gotta do is send me a message. We could easily set up a showing. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. You have a good day.